noise. I don't know if that was the motors winding up. I don't know if that, definitely it was the wind. But I heard, maybe the tires even screeched a little bit in the quad motors. Each of the tires had something to do with that. It definitely gets up to speed pretty fast. Now I can definitely hear and feel road noise. Let's see what my road noise. What kind of road noise do we have here? So let me go ahead and enable cruise control. And I have lane keep and lane assist, that's helpful. I'm going to turn off the air conditioning. And then let's go ahead and see. So 65 decibels. 66, 69. The wind is making a lot of noise. It's hitting the windshield. It doesn't look like it's too windy outside. And I can hear the wind off the mirrors and the side of the glass. The windows on the side of the vehicle here. Hit some bump. You can see I'm encountering some, I guess, potholes and defects in the road. I can still hear the vehicles next to me. Some of them are a little bit louder than others. And the truck has no problem with accelerating rapidly. So if I wanted to, for example, hit the gas pedal and take off, so let's do that. 3, 2, 1. It definitely has the capacity to do that. It has the torque, everything's there. Just like the other electric vehicles, this thing really takes off. Now look, it is seeing the vehicle in front of me, and it actually knows that it needs to be a certain distance. So as I accelerated, the vehicle saw that and it slowed down automatically as I let off the gas or the accelerator pedal there. I'm still holding on to the steering wheel down here, but if I were to let off, we're more or less going straight, the vehicle keeps itself in the center of the lane. Bumps. It detects other vehicles, and it also tells me to keep my hands on the wheel. So I saw other vehicles that said that the steering wheel was capacitive touch. I haven't been able to confirm that. I would actually like to read more about that. You know, is it capacitive? Where is it capacitive? Top or at the bottom, left or right? But the lane keep, the lane assist, it keeps me in the lane. I have it turned off so it doesn't vibrate. It'll make an audible noise if I'm going to steer out of the lane, but it's really nice. I wouldn't call it a full autopilot by any means, but it definitely helps facilitate long road trips. And the adaptive cruise control, I feel comfortable with that. I can change the distance right here by sliding my finger up and down. So if I want to approach closer to that vehicle and I still haven't gotten the speed limit that I've set, it'll do so. Overall, it's really easy to drive. It definitely feels like a luxury truck. I really recommend you get one if you don't already have one.